Welcome to this beautifully renovated and recently updated ranch with a full-size 1.5-car detached garage, great for a workshop or storage. Freshly painted interior and exterior, newly manicured lawn with fresh flower beds. Double-hung windows, roof, HWH all 4 years old, HVAC, 1 year. Generous-sized patios wonderful for outdoor entertaining. Low-maintenance LVP on most floors, carpet in bedrooms and ceramic tile on bathroom floors. Large primary bedroom with walk-in closet and dual sinks and vanities. Large living room with newly plastered walls and ceilings, white shaker-style cabinets with granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances.